So it is the main difference between the PLA and PAL. So coming to the programmable logic array, both the two gates are programmable, and coming to the programmable array logic, AND gate is programmable, but OR gate is not the programmable, it is a fixed one. Okay, so it is the main difference between the PLA and PAL. Okay, anything, PLA is very easy to manufacture and program, comparing with the PROM and PAL. So that's why option A is also the correct thing. So A and B are the correct, and C is the false thing. So option 2 is the correct one for this one. And while coming to the next question, it is the eighth question. So in this question, they given that list 1 and list 2 improved noise immunity and fastest of all the logic families, most popular logic family, and simplest to fabricate. So here, fastest of all the logic families is, here I'm going to show you one table. See, it is the table. If any one logic family has to be fastest, then the propagation delay of that gate must be very least, right? So if any one logic gate has to be told as a fastest, means it must be the least propagation delay. So in this this table is very important. Definitely we'll get 1 or 2 bits from this table. This table represents the comparison of the different logic families in a summary wise. So coming to the propagation delay, the least propagation delay is to the ECL. Okay, so the least propagation delay, that is 0.75. That means it is the fastest. So coming to this option, the fastest of all the logic family, or the main, of course, if any one logic family is the fastest, then it consumes the greatest power. Okay, so that means the B matches up with the 2, right? And so B is matching up with the 2 means, so here only one option is there, B matching up with 2. That means here improved noise immunity or else increased complexity. That is the fourth one, that is CMOS. That means CMOS provides a better noise. I mean, it won't give the much noise, but its complexity is very high, because in the same MOSFET we have to fabricate the both P and N MOSFETs. Okay, and while coming to C, most popular logic family and moderate packing density. So out of all the logic families, the most popular logic family is the TTL, transistor to transistor logic. It compromises all the parameters. That means here ECL is having one advantage and one disadvantage. That is fastest, but it is advantage, consumes the much power, that is a disadvantage. But while coming to the TTL, it is not fast, it won't consume much power. That means it is an optimistic logic family. And coming to the simplest to fabricate and susceptible to static charge dosage. So very simplest logic family to fabricate is the MOS family. Okay, so it is a thing. That means the first option is the correct one for this one. And while coming to the next question, it is a ninth question. So coming to this ninth question, arrange the following in terms of decreasing order of their propagation delays. Decreasing order, that means the starting one must have the highest propagation delay. So coming back to this same table, we will see here in the descending order of the propagation delays. So here you can check that the highest it is the propagation delay, fifth one. So and in the given options, RTL, ECL, TTL, and the CMOS are there. So that means RTL, TTL, ECL, and CMOS. So these 4 are given. So we will compare both these 4 propagation delays here. So here RTL is having 12 and TTL is having 10. And the propagation delay of ECL is very least, that is 0.75, and it is 70. So out of these ones, that is 12, 10, 0.75 and 70. So which one is having the highest propagation delay? CMOS, right? That is having the 70 nanoseconds. And coming to the next one is 12, that is RTL, 12 nanoseconds. And after the RTL, next one is the TTL, that is having 10 nanoseconds. And the last one and the least propagation delay is for the ECL, that is 0.75 nanoseconds. So now this he is asking for descending order, right? So first one is the CMOS, next one is the RTL, and next one is the TTL, and the next one is the ECL, right? So CMOS, RTL, TTL, and ECL. CMOS, RTL, TTL, and ECL. That means D is the first one. After the D, next one is the A, next one is a C, next one is a B. So option 3 is the correct answer for this one. So these are all the questions based upon the digital electronic circuits in the June 2019. Of course, 2 to 3 more questions are there. So here almost we did the total 9 number of questions. So you may get nearly the 10 number of questions, from this digital electronics part. So most probably here the questions mainly based upon the this table. So based upon this table, definitely you will get a few questions. I mean more than one or two questions you will get. And coming to the combinational device and the sequential device, and based upon this PLA or ROM, on these topics you are going to get the questions. Okay.